Here we got band resisted hip thrust. So you just take a bench and have it set up next to a rig, and you want to feed a resistance band through both ends of a squat rig. And if you have like a squat rig that has like some of the posts up on the side that allow you to feed the band through, that's great. If you don't have this set up, you could put the band, loop it around two heavy dumbbells in the same position. Just make sure the dumbbells are heavy enough so they don't move when you bring your hips up. So this resistance band here I'm using is a purple band, which is in between the black band and the green band in terms of resistance level. Obviously, you could use a higher resistance band or a lower resistance band depending on your strength levels. This doesn't offer too much resistance, but just enough to feel a greater contraction in the glutes as you bring your hips up to full extension. So you can see here, as I'm doing it, I'm not hyperextending my neck and like looking back behind me. I'm keeping my head in alignment with my upper back as I go up and down. So that keeps me in a position where I'm keeping my head fairly neutral and I'm not hyperextending the neck, and I'm not putting any unwanted pressure along the neck. So you can see here the band is positioned just above my hip. I'm driving my heels through the floor, and as I extend my hips up towards the ceiling, the band tension increases, which makes it more difficult, and it creates more tension in the glutes. So this is a great exercise to use either as an isolation exercise for the glutes, or you can use this as a warm-up tool before you're doing squats or deadlifts or other big body, lower body movements.